Digital Yacht iAISTX AIS transponder. Let's take a look at what's in the box. So we've got warranty card and owner's manual, GPS receiving antenna with moulded cable. Worth noting that that's a standard 1-inch threaded base. It's not supplied with a mounting bracket. The reason for that is there's a variety of brackets available, either in plastic or stainless steel or chrome, and they can facilitate the mounting of the GPS antenna to a radar arch, a coach roof, or a guardrail, depending on what's most suitable for the vessel. And finally, we've got the AIS transponder. Comes with a moulded power cable and then connections for GPS and also for the AIS VHF antenna. Once that's all plugged together, that then outputs the GPS and AIS information via Wi-Fi to any compatible tablet or mobile phone. So there you have it. That's everything you get in the box of a Digital Yacht iAISTX.